Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create jQuery accordion. Something that works this way. You click on a heading, the content shows up, then you click on another heading, the other content is hiding, and obviously the new content under the specific heading is shown. Then we click again, and the active state disappears as well as the content. So let's open our text editor. Inside of the root of your new site, let's create a new file, call it index.php. Inside of this file, let's put the structure of the page, the doc type, and so on. Okay, before the closing body tag, if we include the JavaScript files, actually there will be two of them. If we copy the script line, first of all, we need to include the latest jQuery version, so http code.jquery.com/jQuery-latest.js. Obviously, you can download the latest jQuery version from jQuery website. Okay, then we're going to include another file which will be inside of the JS folder, and we call it functions.js. Now let's create this folder, JS, and let's create the file as well, which will be functions.js. We won't be doing anything in this file as yet. Now after the meta tags, let's include the CSS file. So link to the CSS file. Our CSS file will be inside of the CSS folder and will be called core.css. So if we create this folder now, CSS, inside of this folder, let's create the file called core.css. That's all fine now. And now we can actually create the structure of our accordion. We're going to wrap it inside of the div with the ID of WR. And now our accordion will be built using the L tag with the ID ACC for accordion. Then we have first tag DT, which will be heading, and next tag will be DD with some content. And if we copy this several times, these two lines, to create a few headings with the content. Okay, and that's basically everything we have on this page. So now we can close this page, go to our styles. We start with the white character to apply to all of the tags. Margin 0, padding 0, border we want none, text decoration we want none as well, and outline none. Okay, then for the body, let's do the font family definition for Arial, Verdania, sans serif. Okay, font size 12 pixels, text align center, padding 20 pixels, 0 from the left and right, line height, let's make it 1.8 em. Okay, next thing, our WR div, which will have margin of 0 and auto to make sure that it's in the center of the page. Then width, we're going to use 800 pixels for this, and text align will do left. Then we have our DL tag, which has ACC ID. With first we're going to basically define styles for TD and DD, and it's DT and DD tags. Okay, which will simply have width of 100%. Then we will define DT only, which will have cursor, pointer, display, block, padding 3 pixels from the top and bottom, and 10 from right and left. Then background will be 333, which is such a dark gray. Color of the text will be white, FFF, and border bottom will be solid, 1 pixel, 666. Okay, then we have definition for dt.act class, which will be background of 900, which is dark red color. Then we have ACCDD, which will basically have display none, and padding of 3 from the top and bottom, 10 pixels from the left and right. And our style sheet is now ready, so we can close this file. In the next video, we'll have a look at our functions.js file.